Hey there, what's going on guys? It's Ryan back again in yet another video. Today we're going to be checking out the Skyloong Epomaker SK61 mechanical keyboard. Yeah, let's go check it out. Now, first and foremost, I've already opened up the box around a week and a half or maybe 2 weeks and a half ago, and I've had the chance to test out the keyboard to myself. And so far what I have to say is that it's a very well built and robust keyboard for its price. It comes along, I think, in around $88.99. That's Canadian, so I'm not sure. I think that's around 70 to 75 USD. I don't know. You do the math. I'm not sure about that. But all right, I'm gonna take you to each of the individual products that came along with it, such as the USB-C lightning cable, so you can plug in the keyboard manually to the keyboard to your whatever computer that you're using, maybe a laptop. I don't know what it is you're using. It also comes along with keycaps and switch pullers, but they're not ideally my type of keycaps and switch pullers, because these keycaps right here, they tend to scratch both your keycaps if you want to take care of it, as well as your switches. So yeah, I suggest maybe getting a better quality keycaps and switch pullers if you want to upgrade your keyboard, because it is hot swappable. So yeah, that's that. And it also comes along with the instruction manual. This instruction manual comes along with a change of lightings, I think. Yeah, it does actually. Comes along with the change of lighting, and as well as the shortcuts features for your keyboard, whatever it is you're using, maybe a Mac or Windows. And yeah, that's that. Now, there are a lot of good things about this keyboard, especially for its price, like I said. But there is a lot of other maybe cons about it, such as the no adjustable angle, so you're just kind of stuck with the 7 to 8 degrees angle that it already has. But you know what, it's not too bad, because it's already quite angled to the right angle to my liking. And you know what, there's really nothing I could ask for. I just kind of leave my keyboard the way it is anyway, so like I just lay it flat and that's it. And also, it doesn't have any arrow keys, so if this is something, if you're that type of guy that wants arrow keys or number keys, numpads, this is probably not a keyboard for you, because preferably I like having a lot of desk space to use, because I use my desk to not just typing and being on the computer, but I also use it for writing. So I just want to have enough space, especially if you're gaming. You want to have that real estate for your table, so you can move around it. If you have like a really low sensitivity on your mouse and you're like playing Valorant or Apex Legends, add me on PSN at BNAZY FPS. Yeah, I'll carry you maybe. I don't know if I play, but yeah, that's that. It also comes with a PBT keycaps. I think PBT keycaps. So it's very, like I said, the keyboard is very robust, and that just comes along with the PBT keycaps. It's stain resistant, it's oil resistant, and it also lasts long. For a long time, and you know, there's not going to be any fading for the letters, so yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, it's the first time I'm just really getting into the keyboard community, so yeah, this is all new terms for me too. But yeah, that's that. That's that pretty much about the SK61 keyboard. But before we end the video, let's give it a test out of how the keyboard sounds. So yeah, let's go check that out. Now, what's nice about this keyboard right here is that it's a full N key rollover, which means you can press multiple keys, or pretty much every keys out there in the whole 61 key keyboard, and everything is gonna register to your computer, which is nice, right? Because I think there's other keyboards out there, and you type, I think it only allows you to like press 3 or 4 switches, and it's really not that great. But this one, you can press it as much as you like, and everything will type. So yeah, especially with that red grading on switches. Oh, sounds so good. And that's that for the Skyloong and Epomaker SK61 mechanical keyboard review. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if that's something you're into. And if you want to see me do a customization for the mechanical keyboard here for my next video, or if you want to see other videos like productivity or filmmaking, consider subscribing to the channel and hit that notification bell to keep in touch with me and my other videos whenever I post every Fridays or Saturdays of the week. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.